Hello everyone, this is M Squared Academy. Welcome to our second tutorial on this chess series. Let's learn how to capture pieces. Welcome back everyone, this is our second tutorial in this series. Today we're gonna learn how to capture pieces and how every piece has its own move to capture other pieces. So let's start. The first piece we have here is the rook. And as we know from our last tutorial, the rook only moves in straight lines. As we can see here, it can move either left or right, but only in a straight line. So if I capture this piece here on c7, then I'll go to f7, and there you go. Our second piece here is our queen, and it says here take the black pieces and don't lose yours. And we'll understand why it says and don't lose yours here, because if you see in the red line from the queen to the pawn on f7, if we go ahead and capture the pawn on f7, let's see what happens here. The rook on c7 can easily capture our queen. If you go from f4 to c7, the queen can easily capture the rook, and from c7 we can go to f7 and the queen can capture the pawn easily. Our third puzzle here, we have an elephant on d3. By the way, this is called the fork. When you have two pieces that are in danger, that are attacked by a piece, this is called the fork. So we have our elephant here on d3. If it goes to f5, the rook can easily capture it. So the correct way to go is on b5. Then from b5 you can go to e8. On e8 we can go to f7, capture the rook, e6, f5. And there you go. The queen here is on g3. This is a difficult one. If we go on g5, the pawn can easily capture it. If we go on e5, another pawn can capture it. Then if you go on d5, the elephant can easily capture it. Also on c7 it's going to fail. We will take the long route here. h3, then we'll go to h8, then h7, f7, d5, and here you go. Here we have a knight. Notice here that we are being attacked by this queen. If we don't move fast, it will capture it. So the knight took more moves, but it did the job and we succeeded. That's it for now, and as always, thank you for watching.